Hey everyone, myself Arun. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to provide a quick walkthrough of how I created the bill template in Excel using Excel macro and VBA. So this is an invoice template that I made in Excel, which is an automation. Here we have 4 buttons and all 4 have different actions. So this is a template where we need to feed the information. So this is these 3 lines is our address line. So this is a one-time activity where we can just put our address line 1, address line 2, and address line 3. Rest of the invoice is uh, automated, so we don't want to do anything here. All the information which has been filled here is taken from this sheet. So we just need to put the invoice number, then the buyer name address 1. So from column A to column F, that is date, we need to fill on the information. And once we fill all the information, we just need to make that invoice. We need to just copy this one and enter, paste here. So I'm currently pasting there this invoice number here, and this information it gets changing automatically. So we can see here date is this one, and then the rest of the information invoice number is automatically updated. Now the next part is how to add the items in the invoice template. So before adding the items in this template, I would like you to create an inventory items in our item sheet. For doing this, we just need to click on this add inventory button. So description is the item name. So I am writing here item 1, then quantity may be 21 and price may be 5. So this is the item inventory 1 I am creating. Now it's updated successfully. Now again, I'm adding one more item, that is item number 2. And then quantity is 50 and price is 12. Now my items are added in the item sheet. We can see here, this is both of the items with the total quantity and unit price have been added here. As well, whenever we are adding the items, this will also logged in our inventory history. So while doing any activity, so they will be tracked here as well. We can see here the item number 1 has been added on this date and time, and the transaction time is marked as inventory in. Now again, I'm going back to the invoice template sheet. Now, if I want to add the items in our invoice template, so just need to click on, so first I need to make sure how many quantity items I'm adding. So let's say I am adding 2 items for this item number 1 and 5 items for item number 2. Now to add these items, I just need to click on add drop down. It's successfully added. Now my quantity of total quantity also gets updated. Previously it was 21, now 19. Similarly, I am adding 5 quantity for this one. So now my quantity becomes 45 total quantity. Now I'm going back to the invoice. And let's say we can see here, these two are automatically updated. I didn't do anything. So total price and the subtotal is already updated. Now let's say there are certain circumstances where I have added some of the items mistakenly. So to clear this invoice, I just need to click on cancel items. So it will again replenish the items which was there previously. So I'm just clicking on cancel items, and my balance gets updated. Now instead of doing 2, let's say I'm making 5 for this one as well. Again, I'm doing add and add. Now my invoice template, 5 quantities, and that my invoice gets updated. To print, to take the PDF, just click on print, and what it will be doing is it will automatically mark an email and attach the PDF. And we can just edit our subject line and body according to our needs. And this one is our invoice, so it will be added in the invoices folder as well. So this one is 173528, which it means date and time. So this one is our current invoice that I just taken the printout. If we can see here, this is our invoice, which generated automatically using automation. Once we click on print button, now when I click on print button, I got a message that PDF is created. Now my inventory is updated and invoice logged and Outlook draft ready. So 4 transactions are taken place. Let me showcase you how it works. So invoice details, the invoice tracking is also there. So I have taken a printout of invoice at today date and time. Then this one is our invoice number and the invoice name. So it's a buyer name for which we are printing the invoice. And then this one is the amount. Now I'm going back to the inventory history. So I moved out five quantity of item 1 and item 2 respectively by printing that invoice. So my inventory also gets updated here, and inventory history is also created. So now this is all what we have covered here for the printing. And then we have also one button which is update inventory. So it's just an updating of inventory. So let's say I have 2 items. Item number 1, I need to update the quantity. So current quantity is 16. Now let's make it, I added 5 more. So the total becomes 21. Now I'm clicking on update. A green label marked successfully, that is in inventory updated successfully. I'm closing this one and I'm going back to the items. Now my items total quantity becomes 21 and inventory history also gets created for item number 1, which is we have moved in 5 items as inventory in. So this is the inventory history that has been created. So this is all what we have covered in this uh, invoice template, which I have created in Excel. So I hope you like this video, and if you need any customizations or if you need this Excel file, you can just contact with me. I will be sharing my contact details such as my email address or Teams info and my WhatsApp details in the description part of this video. So we can get in touch, and hopefully we will doing if we have any customization requirements or if you need this Excel file. So I will be happy in talking with you and collaborating the project. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.